My name is Em. I am a nutrition and food science student. So I'm kind of looking at the relationship between plant-based eating and diet culture, disordered eating in rural communities. Growing up as someone who has seen a lot of stuff on social media, I think diet culture and disordered eating has definitely influenced my generation and will definitely be influencing those to come. I was at least pretty curious to see if there was any relationship between the restriction that occurs in like a vegan or vegetarian diet and the restriction that can often come with like disordered eating or diet culture. Everyone participates in the food system regardless of whether they know it or not, and I'm kind of focusing more on like the, I guess, consumer end of it. From farm to table, I'm closer to the table, and I think it's really interesting to see how all of our consumer choices will impact everything before us in the farm to table process.